morning, Chronicle crew. We are in Massachusetts and we're working on repacking our stuff because it was really terrible weather. It was really cold. It snowed, it rained, it hailed literally for 4 days before we left Rochester. So it was really hard for us to actually pack our van. We kind of had to just throw everything in here because we weren't sleeping in here for a while. So now that we're settled for the day, we're just taking everything out and reorganizing. That's my workout stuff. Those are my shoes. Lights. Right there hanging is my jacket. All the stuff in the back is the gear for the motorcycle. We are going to need to get that ladder out so that tree can go on the roof. I really wish we could we're going to put that on the roof, which is my clothes for the winter, for the summer. Some of this stuff will go. Hopefully we're going to sell that. This is just some supplies for if we need to get stuff done. This is medicines, clothes I'm hanging, winter clothes. That stuff over there is like blankets and stuff like that, so I'm going to try to hang all that. This is for these windows. So when we're not using them, I would like them to go here on the ceiling maybe. Right across here. If we can hook it up somehow, that'd be nice. Or hook them up to here on these things, laying flat. That'd be nice. So maybe I'll try to do that. It's a very anxiety-driven day. I feel very, very anxious, but we'll get it done. We will get it done if somebody can chill out.
Hi, Chronicle crew. We're leaving Massachusetts and heading to Virginia for Thanksgiving with Karen's older sister and her parents. So the drive should take us maybe 8 to 10 hours. It's now 10 o'clock. We got to stop and just get some gas and probably put some air in the tires. They look a teeny bit low, and maybe about 5 pounds all around. And yeah, it looks like a decent day to go. It's not too cold. I'm kind of comfortable moving around in just a t-shirt. Here we go. Coming up on Old Saybrook where we bought Kitsune. 1 puppy, 2 and 3 puppies, and a whole lot of stuff stuffed in the back that we're going to rework once we get to Virginia. We've got a lot of stuff that we're taking west for a friend. We're going to put it on the roof carrier. Alright, so the Mototote Sport seems to be holding up pretty well. I got the deluxe kit with the rear wheel tie down. It's in there pretty snug. I've attached the front fork straps to the fork itself rather than the handlebars. I have tightened it down. I didn't over tighten the zero wobble because it doesn't go side to side, but it can go up and down, or side to side I guess, rather than forward and back. But then I ended up putting 2 ratchet straps I had from this Rhino gear into the, I'm not sure what that's called, but that's usually where you put the chains if you're towing. And then came up and over the bike, and then to each corner to try and give it a little more stability up and down. Hopefully this does not damage the seats or plastics, but I did try to use my motorcycle cover, and that did not do well. Even though I did as best I could to cinch it down. It wasn't really made for that purpose, but it did pretty much what I thought, which is it's shredded back here on this corner in particular. And it may have scratched the screen, but no big deal. This bike is still very clean because it hasn't really seen much off-road use at all yet, but it's on there pretty good. Thinking about adjusting the roof rack and lowering the air dam so that it's a little tighter to the roof. I can hear some humming from the wind, probably whistling under and through, over and through it. So if I lower it, hopefully that'll increase some fuel efficiency. Bridgeport, Connecticut. Some might call it a bedroom community of New York City.
So after almost 2 hours of going through New York, we are finally at a rest stop. So the little perros can go potty. Yes. It's nice and muddy and rainy and cold, and there's garbage everywhere. And I better be careful of where I step. Glorious. Oh, little babies. Get over yourself. Little babies. $12 soup.
$7 sandwich?
$12 bummy.
Huh?
That's why I said, oh, we have to go shopping after
It's not
this.
even that good.
We have to go shopping after this. I should have got us Whopper. Sorry. I was just trying not to get us like
No,
a fast
that's
food
fine.
item.
That's fine.
Yeah,
It's fine, really. It's just, you know, not that.
I like this actually a lot. So here, you can have some of this. This is the banh mi. Very sad. But I actually like it. It's okay.
It's not bad. It's just
I
not
just
very,
wish it was like filling for $12. That's what you get.
it's just not very flavorful.
Oh, see, I like the flavor.
Doesn't have much spice to it, but I guess you're marketing to a largely American audience, so they're looking for authentic flavors. Ooh, that was a slog through around New York City. So we went through the Bronx, saw Yankee Stadium,
Yeah.
and drove on the lower deck of the Washington Bridge, all to avoid some other traffic, I guess, instead of going straight for the bridge. And in retrospect, perhaps we should have taken a quote hour detour without tolls to probably maybe avoid all that quicker. Who knows? But either way, we went from arriving at what 7:30, and now, well, probably after 9 now that we made this rest stop.
Oh, it won't be there till 10.
So we're sitting here at the Edison rest stop, which is like, I don't know, I want to say the first one on the turnpike after you're driving miles and miles in this, I don't know if it's just Thanksgiving traffic on this fine Tuesday or if it's normal traffic, but it was very much stop and go for miles and miles and miles and miles. And I was supposed to stop driving at 5 after I started driving at 3, and I don't know, where were we? Somewhere in Connecticut at a rest stop. And I guess I got here at 5:30, but man, I thought I'd be a lot farther along at this point, and still got miles to go. So hopefully Philly's not that bad, and the outer D.C. area as we head to Northern Virginia. And here we go, from the Edison rest stop, right back into traffic. Well, unfortunately, there's a lot of glare from the lights, so you really can't see much. Wow, it was really coming down heavy for a minute there. And just like that. Well, I think we are now entering Pennsylvania, briefly.
Oh, Jesus Christ, that
What was
scared
that?
the shit out of me.
What the hell is that?
I don't know.
It came from inside.
I know.
It's not the transponder. I've never heard it make that noise. Now we got a fog alert, and
Oh my God.
here's the fog. And there is one of the Delaware service stations. It's quite large, and it serves both sides, which is very convenient, especially if you have to turn around. Hey Chronicle crew, it's our first real night in the van. We are parked at Karen's sister's in Virginia outside of D.C. And the van's a mess. We had to move a bunch of stuff off the bed so we could sleep up here. And but it's very cozy right now. In fact, it's warm enough in here that we don't need to have the heating pad, the mattress heating pad on. So we're actually using the Max Air fan to help ventilate and exhaust the air in here so it doesn't get too stale, with 2 humans and 3 small dogs. And Radar, of course, is up here with us.
Right here.
I'm not sure where he is. Oh, is he under?
Yeah.
Yeah. So, anyway, good night.
See you tomorrow.
Please like, share, subscribe, and comment.